Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Aulia and I want to explain about my task. Accent 1. Accent is a syllable or word that stands out from the others when spoken. 2. Dialect. A dialect is a form of language that is specific to a particular region or group. 3. Stress. Stress is the relative emphasis or prominence given to a certain syllable in a word or to a certain word in a phrase or sentence. 4. Intonation. Intonation is the way the pitch of your voice goes up and down as you talk or reciting something by singing it. 5. Received pronunciation, or RP for short, is the instantly recognizable accent often described as typically British. 6. Articulatory phonetics is the branch of phonetics concerned with describing the speech sounds of the word language in terms of their articulation, that is, the movements and or position of the vocal organs. 7. Phloem. The phloem or soft palate controls airflow through the nasal cavity. Nasals and nasalized sounds are produced by lowering the phloem and allowing air to escape through the nose. 8. Alveolar consonant are consonant sounds that are produced with the tongue close to or touching the ridge behind the teeth on the roof of the mouth. 9. Adental consonant is a consonant articulated with the tongue against the upper teeth. 10. Bilabial sounds involve the upper and lower lips. In the production of a bilabial sound, the lips come into contact with each other to form an effective constriction. 11. A vowel is defined as syllabic, the sound that forms the peak of syllable. 12. A consonant is a speech sound that is articulated with complete or partial closure of the vocal tract. 13. Sechua is a vowel sound denoted by the IPA symbol E, placed in the central position of the vowel chart. 14. The vowel quadrilateral describes sounds by placing them on a point somewhere between two opposites. 15. Diphthong, a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves towards another, as in coin, loud, and sight. 16. Triphthong is a monosyllabic vowel combination involving a quick but smooth movement of the articulator from one vowel quality to another that passes over a third. The vocal folds vibrate very rapidly when an airstream is allowed to pass between them, producing what is termed voice. There is a sort of bass which one can hear and feel in vowels and in some consonant sounds. 2. The Adam apples is the lump or protrusion in the human neck, formed by the angle of the thyroid cartilage surrounding the larynx, seen especially in males. 3. Cartilage is the main type of connective tissue seen throughout the body. 4. Arytenoid cartilage is relating to or being either of two small laryngeal cartilage to which the vocal cords are attached. 5. The glottis, a slight leg opening on the floor on the pharynx, is a valve that controls airflow in and out of the respiratory passage. Aggressive sounds are sounds in which the airstream is created by pushing air out through the mouth or nose. 7. Aggressive pulmonic airflow is the normal mechanism for producing speech sound in all language. 8. Phonation is the process by which the vocal folds produce certain sounds through quasi-periodic vibration. 9. Plosives are defined as consonant sounds which involve first a structure of the mouth that allows no air to escape from the vocal tract, and second, the compression and release of the air. 10. Fortis and lenis, sometimes are identified with tens and legs, are pronunciations of consonants with relatively greater and lesser energy, respectively.